Okay, that's off. Well, that was pretty easy. Okay. Yeah, we shouldn't even need all that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. See, is it in the frictional groove all the way around? It should be able to move this. Okay, that looks good. Ah, it works. Look at that. That's one of those that spin. You have to kind of stop it from spinning. Just slowly. Ah, I think that'd be nice. I think that'd be nice. Okay, well that was easy enough. I don't really think she's due for any maintenance, so we're gonna drag it outside. I'm gonna fold it up, cover it up, and it'll be a few days before we do wood, but we'll get a video out as soon as we can. Thanks for watching Papa John's World. Please subscribe. Be safe.